Bring it back then. What do you like?
I want you to go and get it.
Oh, yeah.
Put it in.
Bring it back then. Come on. Bring it here. There you go.
These four.
Your foot inside.
Mine.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look at that, mate. Yeah.
One step back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put your hand in your pocket.
Birkenstocks, love it.
Yeah, that's it.
King vibes. Right, yeah, we'll leave you to it. Sorry, mate, I didn't catch your name. I'm Ross.
James.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name's Choo-Choo.
Choo-choo.
Oh, this is cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow,
So cool.
I like that.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
It's your first time here.
Yeah, obviously, yeah.
Yeah. Found the door before.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Whoa. Whoa.
You okay?
Wow. There you go. Oh, nice. Nice. That's what I should
Maybe just don't close your face off too much from the camera, so just kind of, yeah, you kind of look in like that direction. Just pretend. Wow, I've got 3 cameras in your face today. That's fun. Have you got enough of the dress? I quite like that.
Are you?
Yeah. I think the bed is a little bit traditional. I think this is just quite, I think because it's quite simple. There's two kind of tones. Yeah. This is a really good room to shoot in. The furniture's good, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
That's some great tendon there. Keep that up for me. It's really nice. What's that?
Look at the window too. Yeah.
just get a wide.
I need a close one, just the brush, not the people. Yeah.
You okay? Can you direct that? Should you just come back and open the door? Just look at each other. Sorry. So nice, guys. So nice. Can you take a step back? We'll go in the room. Right, I'm just gonna get. Okay, mate.
Ready? Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
How you doing? Good. Good in black and white. Alright, I'll just do it wider this. Hi mate, how's it going? You alright?
Just double check because we.
I'm gonna go and get the car. You're alright, mate. Oh, is this the entrance? Is this the entrance? Yeah. Looks good, that mate. Looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, look towards each other for me. Brilliant. Super nice, guys. Super nice. Okay.
Yeah, nice.
So,
can you move your guys here,
just
please?
to the middle.
Yes.
Let's show off this venue a little bit.
Oh, you guys are gorgeous.
Yeah. Look towards each other.
You have any idea for your baby's
towards me. Look over your left shoulder. No. Alright, let's do it. That's it. Getting really tight, getting really tight. Align there. Yeah. Come in. Squeeze in. You look back.